Ayan po, katatapos lang po ng ating caravan at motorcade with 3 Angels Community Riders Club and the other Angels, Advance Aider, and some of the riders also. So this is Vince from 3 Angels, Brother Roberto Manrique from Valenzuela, and the President of the 3 Angels Community Riders Club from Bataan Chapter.
Palawan, Bataan, nandito.
From Palawan, para lang po sa aura to, kaya talagang naparito kami. And the District Pastor of Las Piñas. You know. Ayan, so mayroon pong event.
Alam ko, diba kasama sa pastor eh.
Maya-maya lang po ay mag-start na po ito. So, tutor ko lang po. Ayan, so ito po. Kaganapan ngayon. Tayo dito lang po ito sa gilid ng NPUC at harap na labs. And thank you so much, and let's support the AWR 89.1 FM radio on wave. God bless po. Bye!